So from time to time, I like to consider myself a pretty smart person, but sometimes the facts just don't lay out. So I called myself putting a tire extender on my Navee scooter. But the major problem I found was this bar here. With the extender connected, I didn't even get to test ride it before turning the wheel, and it did just what it should have. Ripped the inner tube out of this back tire. But today on Kachi's Kid, we're going to totally remove the back tire from the scooter.